Hey there, Kevin McCann here. For the last 26 years, I've been in the trenches working for and helping companies increase their revenue by integrating strategy, marketing, and sales. And I know how hard it can be. So let me be the first person to welcome you to the Stem Cell Practice Marketing Success System. Having helped several stem cell doctors like you drive attendance to their seminars, we have first-hand experience of just how hard this can be. Let's face it, you're looking to get in front of more patients as quickly as possible so that you can help them live a better life. You don't want to be bogged down with the hassles of coming up with website registration landing pages or website thank you pages or figuring out how to craft email marketing campaigns and further, how to automate those campaigns. That's why this system is a perfect fit for you. This course is set up step by step so you and your staff can quickly learn marketing campaign creation best practices and then execute them immediately. Here are some of the things you're going to learn with the system. Best practices on how to custom configure your CRM system. This is where all of the prospects and the contact information will live. How to create your pre-seminar marketing sequence. How to automate marketing follow-up for your patients. How to launch an automated follow-up marketing sequence for no-shows. Registration and thank you page templates and content. Checklists and step-by-step guides on how to implement the marketing sequences that we talk about. Marketing campaign maps in PDF, Keynote, and PowerPoint so that no matter what platform you use, you'll be able to leverage the tools. Group mastermind calls to learn more and stay on top of best practices. Access to previous mastermind calls so that you don't miss any important information, and much more. So whoa, you may be thinking, holy cow, that's a lot of information. But I assure you, when you see inside the online training program, it's broken down into step-by-step, very easily digestible modules and lessons that you can execute while you're watching the videos. Also, if you ever have any questions, our support team is ready to answer you. We have a frequently asked questions section in the training that we constantly update with new answers, new ideas, new tips and tricks. That, and we hold frequent mastermind calls to help provide you with and other doctors with additional ideas, resources, and tips to accelerate the growth of your stem cell practice. We record these sessions and transcribe the content so it's easily searchable for you to leverage. We're excited to get started and hope you are too. Just enter your email address and click Take a Sneak Peek of the system today so we can show you behind the curtain.